safety relies heavily on advanced composites. These CFRP pre-preg tapes must be...
The high-speed infrared camera verifies the resin curing agent. Any deviation results in automatic rejection. All green across the board. The profile matches the blueprint.
Verified. We can proceed to skin attachment.
The dark gray CFRP pre-preg tape is smoothly and continuously fed onto a massive, flat vacuum table.
Calibration complete on section 3.
Acknowledged. All systems green. Ready for layup.
Using advanced laser projection, the automated fiber placement machine ensures every ply is oriented for maximum structural strength on the A350 mold.
Okay, we are clear to proceed into the autoclave.
Confirmed. Slowing the transport now for final alignment.
This composite material is flawless. The autoclave cycle was perfect.
It certainly was. The robotic scan confirms the integrity of...
Hydraulic pressure steady at 2,000 psi. Lift trajectory nominal.
Confirmed. Separation is clean. Proceed to hover.
Alignment on rib 4 is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Proceed with clamping.
Okay, easy now. We're clear on the port side.
Digital readout confirms perfect alignment. Secure the temporary clamps.
Torque check complete on fastener 42B.
Reading confirmed. Ready for sign-off.
This massive fuselage undergoes rigorous structural integrity testing. Technicians meticulously install thousands of strain. Check the alignment on section 4. Looks consistent with the schematics. The torque settings are optimal.
Okay, the wing box join looks solid. All specifications met for process A.
Agreed. Signing off on structural integrity now.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at nominal.
Laser alignment confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Check the pressure fitting at junction 7.
Reading stable. No leaks detected on this segment.
Alignment is good. Move to secure sequence.
Confirmed. Initiating torque procedure now.
Watch the clearance on the side.
Clear. Hitting the fasteners now. 2 clicks on the torque wrench.
Torque reading confirmed on mount point 4.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to the next sequence. We have green on all alignment tools.
Acknowledged. Proceed with structural bolts.
Securing these pre-cut blankets of sound dampening material is critical for long-haul passenger comfort in the A350 fuselage.
Okay, bring it left slightly. Looks good. I'm starting the securing bolts now.
The A350-900 enters the pressurized hangar for the first coat of primer.
Recline mechanism check. Screen is responsive. Ready for sign-off.
We're applying the final coat now. The digital gauges ensure the thickness remains precise, maintaining that critical aerodynamic surface profile.
Specialized teams meticulously apply the colored livery decals, using precise laser guides and squeegees.
All parameters are green on my side.
Same here. Final sign-off complete.
Well done, team. The aircraft is ready for ground testing.
All teams, confirm status.
Trucks away.
Barriers clear. Green light to Dow.
We are showing green across the board at max thrust. Prepare for power reduction.
Copy. Reducing power now.
Stress levels climbing past 95%.
Wing root holding steady. No anomalies detected.
Initiating pitch maneuver, 10 degrees up.
Altitude responding, speed stable.
Cruising at altitude, the Airbus A350, powered by the Trent XWB, showcases the pinnacle of modern long-haul aviation.
Congratulations on your new A350. We appreciate your continued trust.
Thank you. It is a magnificent aircraft. We look forward to the future.
Welcome aboard. Please have your boarding pass ready.
Thank you.
Here is your meal, sir. Enjoy the flight.
Thank you very much. Very much. It looks wonderful.
Flap set, gear down, stabilize on the approach. Speed is looking good, VLS captured.
That was surprisingly comfortable for 11 hours. Yeah, the A350 is great. I actually got some sleep.